How to reset your Apple ID password. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Here we go. At the very top, you'll see the option of Sign into your iPhone. Click on it. If you're already logged in with your Apple ID, just log out of it. Now, how can you reset your password? For that, click on this option of Forget Password. Now, in order to recover your Apple ID's password, type in the email or phone number linked with your account. After you type in, click on Continue. Confirm phone number. Over here, you will need to type in your phone number that is linked with your Apple ID. After you type in, click on Continue. Reset your password with a verification code sent to a trusted phone number. Click on Send to. Now you will be receiving verification code. You will need to type in that code. Once you have completed the verification, now here you have to enter your phone's passcode. Now generate new password for your account. Once you have typed in the password, click on Continue. Your password has been changed. Click on Done. Just with that, you have reset your Apple ID's password. Now you are in the process to be logged into your Apple ID. Well, this way you can easily reset your Apple ID's password. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.